then when I open yours and merge it into mine, then it's more or less a copy and paste operation. But you would have duplicate entries for those things.
Okay. It's not synced. It's not.
So what would be possible, of course, is that you split up the activities, so the general activity, the set of activities among different teams, and let them do this. So you can copy and paste activities, but if they have a tool environments or learning objects or whatever attached, then it becomes difficult for the tool to integrate those. So actually the setting here is that one person is working on it at a time, stores it, shuts it back to the online repository, then someone else retrieves it, edits it.
And can that someone else work on another file at the same time and then grab that, paste it in?
You can do that. If you want, you can save this to the online repository and I can download it.
Okay.
Or you could decide not to develop it at the same time. Let's say, okay, these persons, they hand it over to the second persons and hand it over to the next person.
But I think, so, since we don't have a lot of time, we should probably come up with a couple of reasonable activities, maybe some content, can be pages or whatever.
Okay, let's do that.
And try to model this in the tool.
Because I think the important part for the purposes of today is to show how we translated a bit of this onto that. And show the usefulness of the process. So, is it worth then kind of digging into, say, this portion here, and put some meat into these activities and add a little bit of content, and then you can show us how to
put this there. Yeah, perfect.
Build that. Yeah. Okay.
So what's our start?
Right.
Like what's the first thing we would do? Would we start with content? Would we start with an activity?
Following my former boss, Jimmy Salmon's model, the first one is a socialization activity.
Okay.
Where they all come
You
together.
can build it right when
In fact, I already did that.
Yeah,
You already.
I thought you would.
This is about introductions. Do I double click on it?
Why did you do this?
Present
us our work.
That's the problem with
I learned how to do it. But
May I ask you to put this in so I can control your machine with my... I will not do anything.
My machine. This is big.
It's just a mouse. Yeah, I will not do anything.
Okay, before we do that.
Before we do that.
What I did as a
I've recorded everything, so it's a problem.